Greetings to everyone! On this occasion, I'm going to teach you how to make this beautiful beaded fish, which is made double. For this, we need check size 8 seed beads and jewelry wire. First, we take a meter of wire to make it easier to handle. Then, we begin adding our seed beads, making the stitch cross. As you can see in the video, we cross both ends inside the seed beads. In the video, I've left a guide photo of the fish for you to better observe how many seed beads go in each row. Always follow the same procedure, which is to cross the wire through the number of seed beads you are placing in each row. As for the colors, you can use whichever ones you like best. You can choose to make it all in one color or, as in this case, use 3 different colors. Remember, always cross the wire correctly. As I mentioned earlier, I took a meter of number 28 jewelry wire. Although you can also use number 24 wire, the number 28 wire is the most recommended. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell so you always get notifications of new videos. Remember to check the guide photo I left for you, as it's very useful to see how many seed beads to add in each row. We've already placed the last row, which consists of 5 seed beads, and this will be the fish's tail. Now we're going to add the same number of rows, but this time from back to front. That is, we begin with 5 seed beads, as this row will be the reflection of the one we just made. Then we place 5, 4, 3, and 2 seed beads, using the same colors we used in the initial fish. In the end, we will have 2 fish joined. Now, if you're running out of wire, just add approximately 40 centimeters. If you have less, don't worry. 30 or even 20 centimeters should be enough. I used 40 extra centimeters. Then, pass the wire through the last row we just made and keep working with long wires. Set the shorter wires aside for now, and later I will show you what to do with them. Remember to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell to receive notifications of new videos. Now that we've finished our second fish, take the short wires that are left over and pass them through the side wires. Giving 2 turns and cutting the excess so they won't bother us anymore. Do this on both sides, leaving the long wires ready for the next step. Now, let's join the front fish with the back fish. We will do this by passing the wire through the lines, as you can see in the picture. It's like sewing the 2 fish together with the wire. It's important to make sure that the rows of the front fish match perfectly with those of the back fish. And take it to the end. Then, repeat the same process on the other side. And that's it! Our fish is ready. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you so much!